Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So why did the stock market rise today after the largest rate hike since 1994? And also after Powell is, basically putting fear into the market that the Feds is not going to ease up. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys, and see exactly why the stock market rose today when, we just got some of the worst news. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So like I had told you guys, for the ones that been following the channel, you pretty much already know exactly why, because I've been explaining it and saying, parts of it during the AMC videos and AMC content, so we can get a whole outlook on a whole overall market, because we know AMC has a lot to do with the overall market as of now, because it's not on the same, it's on its own frequency with its own mindset, how Redbox had. But now Redbox is starting to, today it wanted to move with us, but like we know, these meme stocks supposed to be on their own frequency. But anyway, guys, let's get back to the nitty gritty. So the nitty gritty, why the stock market rose today when we just got this bad news like this. Like I told you guys, the Feds have a 99% conviction rate. That means whatever direction the Feds want the stock market to go into, go by the history. Don't just take for what I'm saying. Go by the history, look back in the past. Every time you see the Feds come and bring bad news, saying they're going to aggressively attack balance sheets, they're going to hike rates aggressively, whenever it's a bad news, bad catalyst from the Feds, the market is going to 99% of the time always tank, guys. The only time we get lucky in that 1%, and whenever I bet against the Feds, is when the market has been hammered down so severely. We've been in a downward trend months after months after months after months. We steady getting hit down to newer lows, and then the Feds is coming to, and then around that time, during the mix of all this, timing is everything. So in the mixing and timing of all this, the Feds raised rates today by the largest amount since 1994, and the stock market rise. The reason that being is because we got hit so hard, guys, and there's more than just one factor, but we done been hit and hammered down so hard that millionaires and billionaires and even retail was going to buy regardless of what they was talking about. Being for the fact, it's like, I don't care what's going on in the economy no more. I care, but it's like at the prices these things is trading at now, these quality companies, this was trading at 400 and is now at 20. This was trading at 2,000 and is now at 200. This was trading at 100, now it's at 10. You get what? I can keep going. So it's a company for everyone that I just mentioned. So with that being said, people is like, okay, I don't care now at this point of what y'all talking about. Y'all don't, you done scared me enough. Okay, kudos, you did good. Now I don't care no more. I'm buying. And if you that big and bad, Feds, to bring the market down even more from where it's at, okay, I sell some things. I go borrow some money. I do whatever I got to do to make sure y'all don't win, because I'm going to eat up this deal, because y'all doing it. That's what y'all doing. Y'all getting this bread. Y'all getting that bag from this right here. This when the shift happens, a lot of poor people and a lot of people that was thousandaires become millionaires, but also the people that's millionaires and billionaires, they become trillionaires. Yes, it's trillionaires out here. Don't be dumbfounded. Just because, people with these networks of 200 billion, triple digits, billions, 200 billion, 100 billion, 300 billion, 400 billion, 500 billion. They are now, well, it ain't nobody with no 500 billion, my bad. Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, that 200 plus billion, right around 300. But they done lost, a lot of that due to the hit that they took with the market downturn. Together, they lost over, $130 billion. But they'll get that back. That's what I'm saying. They'll get that back times 10 during a situation like what's going on now. And these people is already trillionaires. Whatever they net worth talking about, they got that 15, 20x. Sometimes the ones that's even smarter, they got that 100x. Whatever that network talking about, the network, $1 million on this dude, depending on how smart he is, he probably sitting on, 60 M's that that they don't know about. Hush money. So you already know, guys, like I say. But anyways, that's the main reason on why the market, did what it did today and took off. Being for the fact that the Feds is losing out of steam, they're losing out of power, and that's why they had to run the market up early this morning. Because if it would have been tanking, like I wanted it to. I didn't mind, because I'm sitting on the sidelines for the companies that I wanted. During the day, you want to be sitting on the sidelines like days like today. Let the market come to you, see what it do. So anyways, I'm waiting for it. Okay, I already know. We already talked about what was the outcome, and it played out how we thought it would. But I'm waiting for it to come down, though. Like, all right, be gangster, be tough. Come on down, because if you come down, I'm going to buy out of everything. Being for the fact that I knew it got to bounce. Like, these prices, the prices in the market right now is just too good to be true. So anyways, guys, you already know, like I say, they're losing out of steam, losing out of power, and it was going to be, so they had to run it up this morning like they did, because they knew if they brought it down even lower, that's just more discounts for us. That's just better, business for us. So run it up, because we losing out of power. We got to, put that artificial buying pressure in there, plus the buying pressure that's really there. But run it up, and then once we come out of our meeting, tank it, pull it back, because now we got the leverage to do it, because them gains this morning wasn't really, real. So now they tank it, and then it popped back up, because that's what it was destined to do, guys. That's what, was bound to happen. Being for the fact of, they losing out of steam. They losing out of that power whenever it done got hit to crazy extents, like we just talked about. Companies coming from 400 down to 20, 30. It's crazy. But anyways, y'all, you already know what to do, man. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP. Get your free stock down below. All that good stuff. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We gone.